what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue on the topic of eyes. We were talking about eyes and the function and the auditiveness and everything about it, and we talked about refresh rate. Refresh rate like the FPS thing that we have in every devices in nowadays. Some of those things like the previous old one had like 2 FPS a second, 2 frames per second as to be told, but nowadays they are like 2480 frame rates per second, 1440, something like that. There are so many FPS right now, so many things to count on, because all of these things are FPS related. Because have you ever thought about the eyes being so good at capturing things? So the reason behind that is they are able to take constant image. So this is the reason behind that. They are able to take a constant image from one second to another, to another, to another, and hence we are able to see something. This is the work of the eyes. This is how eyes work. But to be precise about it, we have talked about eyes and this function before as well. So what new in this topic is that our eyes have a many function of it, because it has a function of not zooming. Zooming is not function right now in human body because we have not evolved at that thing, because birds have the function of zoom. You might be saying, how could that be? They can dilate their pupil, which could concentrate at a single point. Have you ever seen an eagle? Their eyes could see from such a high to a small organism or a prey to them that they could catch. So they could zoom in, but our eyes cannot do that right now in the evolution form. If we were adapted to the situation, then our body would do that thing as well, because it's all about adaptation in our body. Everything from the starting to the ending point is done by adaptation, because if there was no need of it, then we would not able to think. Because the first hominoids which were able to walk, they had no tails, because if they are able to walk, tails were for human beings, which were for the animals which were able to climb on the trees or on had a high surface which required a lot of grip. So tails were used for that, but the hominids used to walk on the land, and that's why the reduce of tail began. And if tails were not used, hence they were not needed, and if they were not needed, hence it adapted for us human being. So adaptation is the thing. If we started to go on the trees again and we needed grip or something, then there would be an adaptation and evolution in the human body which would lead to those things, and we would get all of these things back. So not back, but there will be something that will come into at that place as well. But what were we talking about? We were talking about the eyes thing. So it's taking a constant image and it has taken a lot of adaptation. It could focus on one thing or focus on another thing. You might have think that you might have seen in so many things that people are able to sense their surrounding or any aura present that is watching them. So our body can do that too, but within our sight. If you are doing something and there was something which moved or tried to look at you, then you would get an instant image, because any type of motion occurring in the 270-degree vision of your eyes led to you seeing those motion, and hence our body could sense it, and whenever it senses it, it dealt with it, and you will know without even focusing on them. Your body senses, because if I am like right now, like this, but there was a motion behind me or surrounding me, then I would be able to sense it, and because of that sensation, I would know that it was moving, because any amount of motion done to your eye which is not constant, hence we are able to see it. Do you ever notice that you could not constantly see your nose? What is the reason behind it? Because your nose is at a constant place. If you are like this, your brain will forget about your nose, but if you are moving and doing this thing, then your nose is constantly picking up on your eyes are constantly picking on the nose, hence you are able to see it. But if you are constant, then you will not notice it, because your brains delete those things which are not available, which are not a crucial part, because they are stationary and do not send any great messages. So this is the function of our eyes and your eyes and human eyes. So I hope you understand all of these things. If you didn't understand, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.